Good morning. Sorry, my phone's on. Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to A Day in My Life. Today is Monday, January 6th. It's the 6th day of this year. It is currently 9:12 in the a.m. I have been up since 7:30. What have I done? I've watched reality TV. And that's it. So now that I am kind of sort of awake, I'm still crusty, I know. I'm about to go to the gym and work out and just go about my normal like routine. Because hang on, there's something on this lens. Don't be dirty. Don't be dirty. Better? Come on, G. Come on, G. Focus. Okay. Now that I'm sort of awake, I am about to go to the gym, do my workout routine. I'm gonna see if I can bring the camera in there. It's my apartment gym. There's almost no one in there, but I'll just be so in the mode I forget to like record. So I'll most likely insert clips from my phone if I don't record on my camera right now. By the way, this is a pretty big camera. It's a Canon, I don't know what kind of camera I have, y'all. It's a Canon EOS or EOS something. It looks like this. This is what it looks like this. Anyways, yeah. I'm about to just go to the gym. I'm starting a new workout routine. Once I'm more comfortable in my routine and I can do it and share it with you guys, I definitely will. But I'm gonna go running and lifting, and then run a little bit after lifting, because then, you know, after you lift, you feel so much stronger and you're in like the rah-rah mode. So yeah, so I'm gonna go do that. And yeah, the point of this vlog, I've rambled a whole lot. The point of this vlog is for you guys to just see what I do on my days off, which is mostly Mondays, and how I prep for the work week, which is Tuesday through Friday. And yeah, so come along with me. Let's go. I don't want to go running, but I have to, because I gotta lose this weight. Okay, let's go. Okay, I just ran 2 miles. I am done, dead, cooked goose, okay? I have this thing, most people don't believe me, but it takes a lot for me to sweat. I ran the 2 miles, well, I ran walk, at the end of every song, so maybe at the end of like 4 minutes of running or so, I will walk on like 3.5 for about 30 seconds or so, or I'll just rest. 30 seconds, 15 seconds, I'll just rest, because like the next song comes and I just get hyped. I be dancing on treadmill and everything, but it takes a lot for me to sweat. I literally just ran, right? This is my chest, like, look at my hand. I glisten. I don't sweat, like, look at my body. It takes a lot for me to sweat. So, I'm about to lift. And I usually will end my workout session with like maybe running for 0.3 miles, like nothing serious. I just want to like quick boost of cardio to get the blood pumping while I go take a shower. Yeah, my head really hurts. I don't know why. Well, maybe I do know why. I had like a little bit of Grand Marnier last night when I was editing, and so now I remember drinking that much water yesterday, so I feel a bit dehydrated, but I have gone through this much water. This is a 16-ounce glass. I had a full 16-ounce glass before coming running, and so this is about 30 ounces of water I've had. Yeah, so let's work out. am showered. I have praised my gods, and it's time to cook. So today, you know, y'all, and I haven't even hello. I haven't even eaten yet since I worked out. I worked out and I went straight into filming. And now it's time for me to cook, but I'm so hungry. I literally just dawned on me as I opened the fridge. Girl, you will eat all day, child. And it is 1:04 p.m. What is going on in my life, Lord? Anyways, y'all, I'm about to do like really quick meals. I ain't got time. I don't like cooking. You know, I got time to be in the kitchen all day because it's my day off. I should be relaxing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna brown some turkey with some I don't know, with some seasonings and a little bit of rice. And I have some salmon that I'm gonna marinate and throw that in the oven with some potatoes. Where am I put? Where? I wonder if I kept it in the pantry. I think, yep. This pantry needs to be organized, y'all. Anyways, I've got my potatoes, so I'm about to take over my own kitchen. But before I do that, let me make a smoothie to at least get me through. My smoothie is pretty simple. Let me show y'all before this battery dies. Hang on, let me get the stuff out. All right, y'all sit on top of a glass. I've got my oatmeal in the, what's that thing called, in the microwave. I got my oatmeal in the microwave. I'm gonna do oatmeal with some peanut butter. Pretty simple. And then in this cup I have like a handful of frozen mangoes. I have a bowl that I prepped all like my fruits and stuff in because I got time to be like prepping every day. So I'm gonna throw in some grapefruit like segments, about 2 or 3 segments of grapefruit. And I'm gonna put in this much ginger and a bunch of pineapple slices. Everything's in the bowl, child. Because nobody got time to be prepping every day, y'all. I got a very busy schedule. It's pretty full to the brim. I'm just gonna push it down. And I'm going to take some of this like superfood powder. It's the camel powder. It's tons of vitamin C. This is just my vitamin C like energizing smoothie. And I'm just gonna sprinkle some in there. That's enough. You need about 1 serving size is a teaspoon. So that's about enough. And I'm going to squirt in a wee bit of lemon juice. A wee bit of lemon juice there. Boom. And we're gonna put some water in there and blend it all up, child. All right. So for my oatmeal, which I can do this one hand, but I just did like a healthy scoop of peanut butter. And I'm gonna try to mix it in. I can't do this with one hand, y'all. Anyways, you get the point. I'm gonna mix peanut butter in with my oatmeal and have my very, very yellow smoothie full of vitamin C. It's gonna give me the energy I need to finish. Why is it so bright? It's gonna give me the energy I need to finish cooking. Let me turn this bright. There we go. I'm like, what's going on? My smoothie is gonna give me the energy I need to cook for the day, and then that should be all. See, now I can't, this lighting, y'all. Shooting in the daytime is hard AF. But anyways, yeah, let me eat and then cook. Next time y'all see me will be me eating again for lunch. Okay? Bye. Okay guys, so I'm still cooking. It is 2:36. This is, my clock is off. It's 2:36. I am still like this. It's always a mess when I cook, y'all, but anyways, I'm still browning the turkey. It's brown. I just want like all the liquid to dry off, and then I'm gonna like mix it with the rice and make some sort of like fried turkey rice thing. I don't know. And then in my oven, I've got salmon and potatoes. Here, let me show y'all. Ooh, it's hot. See? Salmon and potatoes. And I made like a, I really wanted like a sweeter dish. And so I made, I put a bit of agave nectar in my seasonings. I used this P.F. Chang's sesame. If this thing focuses for its life, hello, hello. Can I buy some focus? Can we focus? Come on, bro. Wow. Anyways, y'all, it's not trying to focus, but this is what I have. It's the P.F. Chang's sesame sauce. I always, like, for salmon, sometimes I want to switch it up, so I always use that, like a marinade of some sort, but yeah, I'm almost done cooking. Still pretty full for my smoothie and oatmeal this morning. And then I'm going to edit and hopefully have a video out today. If not today, maybe tomorrow. I don't know, but I'll have a video out for y'all. Y'all, these lashes are so hard for me to wear my glasses with. Like, sorry, excuse my television. I am watching YouTube. Of course, it's not gonna focus. Hang on.
It's Amy. Will's ex. Look, if you're in there, open up. Alright?
Whatever. I give up. I have to figure out my camera. But anyways, I'm watching YouTube. I got obsessed with this show because I am obsessed. Like, I have to watch it in spurts because I'm just like, I live alone. And y'all see, like, out there, little fancy area. Let me darken it a bit more. Okay, right there in the alley there. Yeah, so this morning when I woke up, like, I had my blinds open because I was like getting ready to go work out. And oh, lighting. Anyways, yeah, in that fenced area, I was trying to get ready, left my blinds open this morning, and then I realized I saw somebody trying to pry the gate open, and someone that does not live here, because they were really trying to pry it open, and when it didn't open, they looked kind of like suspicious and like started running off. Guy in a hoodie, and I was just like, huh. So when I watch shows like YouTube, I'm always like just like a little bit more cautious. It reminds me to be a little bit more cautious. That's the point of this. Damn. There you go, guys. Nice piping hot bowl of turkey, rice, carrots, and peas. It literally did not take me long to make. The longest thing is for the turkey to brown. The rice cooked before the turkey was even done browning. So there we go. I'm gonna give the salmon a couple more, about 15 more minutes or so, just for the sake of the potatoes, and then we will be completely done cooking, and then I will clean once my stovetop is done cooling off. Like, that red button there is telling me the surface is still hot, and it is a hot mess express. My whole kitchen is a hot mess express. Look at this. We've got dirty dishes. Everything's dirty over here. Same thing over here. But I'm gonna go over there and fix my eyes over there and put my mouth all over here. Ooh, look at that steam. Yes. All right, y'all. I'm gonna wrap up this vlog here. I'm literally not gonna do anything. If I do anything more, it'll be after this clip, but I'm not gonna do anything. I'm just gonna edit, clean up my kitchen, and eventually go to bed sometime tonight. I'm trying to do this workout at 5 a.m. because I have to be at work at 6:30 a.m. So that is my plan for the rest of the day, is edit, clean, and go to bed. So I don't think I want to see that. If you do want to see that, let me know. I'll make another day in my life, day off, work week, work day type of morning routine or daily routine or whatever routine I'm doing right now. Yeah, so I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.